Hello. In this video, we're going to discuss creating a multiple binary question type. In this question type, students are asked to evaluate a number of statements about any given topic. So we'll go to Item Banks. We will click My Workspace. And we're going to create an item. You want to give your item a name. And you will choose the question type, which is MB for multiple binary. Choose a subject and a grade level. You do not need to do anything for course or course group. At this time, if students needed to read a passage, you could link it if you had added a passage to the item bank. You can also change point values at this time, and then you're going to add your question. You can copy and paste. I just realized this is a math question, not a social studies. That's something that's easily changed while we're still working on it. So we'll come back up to the top and select math. All right, for a multiple binary, just like for a multiple choice or a multiple response, you're going to need to say how many choices there are, and then how do you want students to respond? Do you want them to say if something is true or false? Do you want them to use yes or no? Or do you want them to use CI for correct or incorrect? I'm going to choose true and false. You could lock the choice order at this point if you wanted to do that. Right, and I am going to scroll down and then copy and paste my choices. This can get a little tedious, but it does save you a lot of time to be able to go back and forth between an existing document rather than typing everything out. All right, notice that the answers are true, false, true, false. So we need to go back and mark those so that School City can accurately score. Now, one thing about this question type, there is no ability up here to give partial credit like there is for multiple response. So students are going to have to get each one of these true false answers correct in order to get the total possible points, whatever you have decided it is up here at the top. We're going to say next. And let's see, the standard on that is going to be grade 6. Let me go back one step. And change my grade level. And now we'll navigate over to standards. All right, grade 6, statistics and probability. There we go. And then we'll say next. Just like we've talked about in the past, if you know any of this information about blooms or DOK, you can go ahead and add that in. You can also tag your item with any keywords that help people find it easily. I'm just going to tag mine with sample, and then we'll say next. Get a preview of the item. This is what it's going to look like for students, and then you will select publish. Thanks for watching.